What a day. Okay guys, so the next video that we're going to do here on the lines is we're going from all the way from Pretoria to the Wildt. I think it's the name of the place. Well, I'll show you guys on the map. I think it will be really interesting. I'm loving these trips on the train and exploring and all that. But again guys, stay tuned because this video once again will blow your mind. Okay, so now inside of the train you guys can see there is a person there and another one. So they are actually cleaning and disinfecting. So they got their own cleaning crew. It's really interesting, the operations here on the train. Oh my god, I can't believe this is the blue train. This is the blue train. Look at that. I know that logo when I see it. Talking about train history here in South Africa. Look at that. Look at that, the blue train. Sorry guys, I'm just having a mindgasm. Sure, this thing is long. Fantastic. So this is the blue train, and look at this beautiful one, eh? Wow. Team here cleaning. Why people throw bullets or stones to the glasses? Seriously guys, this is made locally. Respect. Cleaning. Very interesting. So we're going from Pretoria to the Wildt, the orange line. Sometimes the platforms change, so when you buy the ticket, make sure you ask the Praza people which line you should take, so make sure you get that right. There you go guys, this is how it looks like. Fantastic. Okay. Oh my god, this is beautiful. Can I see the rooms? Look at them. Okay, wow. I can't believe I'm inside of the blue train. This is crazy. This is crazy. I need to come and do this properly to show you guys how it is like traveling inside of the blue train. Wow. I promise you guys I'm gonna do a blue train properly to show you because this is mind-blowing. Just to be there on the bar is just really cool. Okay, so this is how the Bosman basically station looks like. You guys can see, top-notch, nice. The blue train even stops here, very safe. And just one step away from the rail train. Okay, let's go to platform 5. You can see everything is clean, even the floor. That's why they take like 1 hour. Just to keep it nice and tight. So we got 2 coming now. Look at that. Yeah? Yeah. So is this one that we're gonna catch? Is this one? Or this one? Ah. So this one now is the one that I need to catch. Okay, alright. Now there's also coming that side. We're gonna get out in Hercules, so we are here now, right? Pretoria. Next one it will be Hercules. I think by some odd reason we need probably to swap according with the police or the security guards, and I want to go all the way to here. Okay guys, so we're leaving now. On time. You guys can see now it's quite full now. We're going to Barracks next, and that's the next thing to go. That was that train that goes to Salzville. Pretoria, we should, instead of getting out in Hercules, we should go to Wilmington, and from here catch train 44 all the way to the Wildt. To the Wildt, so it's a different railway line. You guys can see that. So crazy. Beautiful. Pretoria CBD on that side. Buildings there. We got here. Okay, the next one is the Sport. Not sure which station is this one. See if I can see a name. Guys, you can't trust anything that is on those things there. One says Mountain View Sanctuary Station, the other one tells me it's Dashboard, something like that. Nice fish on the mountain. Okay. That's the next station. Let's have a view here. See what's going on. Okay. That's how it looks like. Yeah. Oh, it's not showing now.
It will get to the roundabout 1 o'clock.
No.
And then it will be depart Mabopane at 20 past 1.
No.
I
don't want to do that.
Your time.
I rather do now this one. Okay, all right. Sure, but I'm loving this thing. It's so cool. I'm loving it.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, man. Appreciate it. Thank you. See you later. I don't know. Should I go to Mabopane or to the Wildt? Let's try. Let's go to Mabopane and then find out later. Okay, there you go.
The doors are kept open.
Your Mabopane, next station will be Mabopane and Winter's Nest, Acacia Boom. Hey. Okay, we're ready now for 27 minutes. At Mabopane, here we are. Well, we are in Mabopane. Mabopane station. So Winter's Nest is next. Okay, so this is where they probably wash the trains. First time I've seen this. Very nice.
On the platform gas.
Okay, this one's being fixed. Winter Nest. Okay, that's the next one, because you boom. Because you boom doesn't look that bad. Here we go, Mabopane. Copenhagen will be the next station, I guess. So, look at that. Whoa, look at it. Now this is crazy. There we go, we arrived. I guess. A little bit dilapidated.
Welcome on board the train to Mabopane station. The next.
Amazing else is this. the Jacaranda Day. Okay, so this is Soshanguve. That's where we are at the moment. Soshanguve. Is it a soccer stadium? Now I'm confused. Now it says Mabopane station. Hey, we did a Mabopane. So look at that. Sure, looks very nice. Very nice. So, got it here. The train is leaving now. We need to go to the other station to go to Wilmington in order to go to the Wildt. It's a beautiful station. Very surprised. See you guys on the other side. We are on the other side, so we went actually underground to get to this side here. Mabopane all the way to Wilmington, and then we go to the Wildt. From here all the way up here. Okay, it's already here. Didn't even take like what, 10 minutes? Yeah, we're ready to go again. Alright, so the plan was Pretoria directly to here, right? So we did from Pretoria, and we are in Mabopane at the moment. Now I'm gonna do Mabopane until Wilmington, and then catch train 44 all the way to the Wildt here. Okay, we're leaving now. Let's go to Wilmington now. We got out now of the station. We are in Wilmington station. Now we need to catch train 44, which will come right here, the same way that goes to Mabopane. So 44 is what we need to get to the Wildt. With a hotline, there is no hotline number here. 080 and 5, and that's it. Oh, 44. Oh no, I'm lucky. Oh, the Wildt, whatever the name is. Oh my god, I'm happy. Okay. Okay, cool. I like what I'm seeing. There you go. Okay, so remember those maps that I showed you guys. So this is what makes me so confused. So according to this map, this is the Pretoria, and I went all the way to Mabopane, right? And I went from Mabopane all the way to Wilmington to catch train 44 that will take us to the Wildt. Show you guys this. You see, after the Wilmington station, they already start building around the station. You see what development of train stations does. See more developments. Look at that. New roads. The only thing we talk about is negativity. So winter's nest. It's already done, so we're going to show you guys the Roslyn, Linross, Medunsa, Karamua, and Taller's Hoop, and finally the Wildt stations. That's what I'm going to show you. Okay, to give you guys an idea, I've been doing this since 20 minutes past 12. Okay, so this is Roslyn. Oh, really, not bad. Roslyn, one of the most industrialized part of Pretoria, because you guys know we have here a lot of brands. Big brands of cars produce their cars here. There you go. That's how it looks like.
stop is Limau Station.
Medunsa, Garankua.
Thank you for traveling with Metro Rail. Please
So that was quick. Railway station, probably not gonna stop in. But it's also not in a bad condition. Bringing some bricks and stuff.
traveling with Metro Rail.
Okay, we'll do some
Please
station
mind the
next.
platform gap.
Fixing it. Now this definitely needs to be fixed. A little bit of TLC. Oh, it's not that bad. Yeah, but we're definitely not stopping here. So, Garankova station next. Sure. Not bad. Get a better view. They're in a big ship after all. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Definitely got some TLC. Oh. Okay, so we are in Garankova, Taillards, Hop, and then the Wildt.
Platform gap.
Tyler's. Okay, so let's see this one. Not bad. Not bad at all. It's nice to see these things being used. There you go. That's how it looks like. Very nice. Go to the last one.
The next stop is the Wildt Station.
The Wildt.
Newton should use Pacific Train.
Final
Please
destination.
mind the platform gap.
Well, let's go back now to Pretoria, I guess. What? I remember these things. Mom mentioned this was the houses for the miners. It's like interesting. Look there. There you go, ideas for Airbnbs. Oh wait, there is more.
Please mind the platform.
There you go, the Wildt station. We here. Whoa, what are they? Okay, there you go, guys. So, my guess now is going, we need to go up the stairs. There's actually a waterfall here. What the heck? Remember, when you come from that side, you always need to change at Hercules station to go back to Bosnan station. Don't commit the mistake that I did and now went all the way back and I only realized afterwards. So make sure you come here to go to Bosnan. Whew. Okay guys, so I committed a mistake, so I lost 2 hours in all this adventure. But now I'm in the Gautrain, I'm gonna back home. But just pay attention, because if you guys don't pay attention, you guys will wait for every train for 1 hour if you take the metro rail to the way that I went today. So make sure you keep your mind, don't start talking to people or something like that, just focus, okay? Again guys, hope you guys enjoy, I hope you guys destroy that like button, share, and I'll see you in the next LivinginSAtv video.